Hello. My name is Ben Werangai. That is my sign name. My voice interpreter for today is Eve. Now today I want to show you, we have the classroom show where we learn more about science. Let's start. Weather, nature. Number 1, we have windy. Number 2, sunny. Number 3, lightning. Number 4, cloudy. Number 5, we have floody. Number 6, rainy. Number 7, cold. Number 8, we have cool. Number 9, we have mud. Number 10, we have earthquake. 11, we have rainbow. Number 12, river. Number 13, hot. Number 14, sweat. Number 15, summer. Number 16, winter. Number 17, dry. Number 18, mountain. Number 19, flower. 20, we have star. 21, moon. Number 22, we have tree. Number 23, forest. Number 24, we have land. Number 25, lake. Number 26, sea. Number 27, we have wet. Let's repeat again. Number 1, why the trees sway from side to side. That is the meaning of the sign. That is how we sign windy. Number 2, what does that sign mean? The way the rays of the sun hit you, sun. Number 3, what does that sign mean? The way the lightning strikes, lightning. Number 4, cloudy. What does it mean? The cloudy, most of the time they are white. That is why we sign it that way. Number 5, floody. What does it mean? When it rains heavy, the water level rises, and that is why we sign it that way, floody. Rainy. Why do we sign it that way? When you are walking, the rain droplets hit you. That is why we sign it that way. Cold. When it's cold, people shiver. That is why we sign it that way. Number 8, cool. Soft air that hits you. Number 9, mud. How you step on mud. Number 10, earthquake. Why do we sign it that way? Because the earth shakes when you're experiencing earthquake. Number 11, rainbow, because of its different colors. Rainbow. Number 12, river. What does it mean? Water and how the river is shaped. We first sign water and how the river is shaped. Number 13, hot. When you drink hot tea, the way you react to it, that is how we sign hot. 14, sweat. When it's hot, people tend to wipe out their sweat that way. That is why we sign it like that. Number 15, summer. 16, winter. Heavy. Trees sway a lot during winter. Number 17, dry. What does it mean? When it's dry, or there's no rain, that is when we sign dry. Number 18, mountain. What does it mean? Because of how people climb. Mountain. Number 19, flower. What does it mean? Maybe your sweetheart or a girl, when you hand them your flowers, they love how it smells nice. Number 20, star. At night, you'll see many stars in the sky. That is why we sign it that way. Number 21, moon. What does it mean? Sun, moon. Maybe you'll confuse. Moon. But we sign it together like that. Number 22, tree. Why? Because of the branches and the bark of the tree. Number 23, forest. What does it mean? You have many trees. That is why we sign forests that way. Forests. Number 24, we have land. What does it mean? Land. Number 25, lake. It means water does not move. It stays in one place. 26, sea. What does it mean? The waves from the sea. That is why we sign it that way. 27, wet. What does that mean? Like when you sit on water and you feel your clothes, it's the way you feel to see if it's wet. That is why we sign it that way. That is all. Now that you have learned, I hope that you are happy. Next time, thank you and bye-bye.